This is the first generation, the Nissan Leaf. And if your vehicle says key is not detected, you may still start your car. So you will need to take your key and hold it near the button for several seconds, and your car will recognize the key, and then you can just start your car, turn on the ignition, so it will work. And of course, the first thing you do after that is you drive to some supermarket and get a good CR2025 or CR2032 battery and install it. I have a separate video on how to install the battery in this key fob. And the problem is that these are keyless entry cars, and these key fobs, they emit signals all the time, and that's why these batteries in these key fobs live just 1 year, and several months. Even if these fobs just lie around in your house and it's a spare fob, for example, and you don't use it, it still will be degrading the battery very fast. So you just need to learn how to replace the battery and replace it once you have this key not found, key not detected message. But now you know that if you keep the fob near the button, you can still start your car even if the fob doesn't have any battery in it. So the RFID chip will still communicate with the immobilizer of your car, and you will be able to drive.